To make women chase you and only you, don't be a goddamn fool. Listen, let's be real here, right? What makes you so special to why she should be chasing you and only you? Let me know in the comment section below. Let me know. Because at the end of the day, like, let me give you the real. As always, I'll give you the real. The reality and the realness of it is there are thousands, if not millions of other guys on this fucking planet. And there's probably some other guys on the fucking next planet. You don't even know if they're kind of come over here. And do you see what I mean? You don't know. I don't know. The point I'm trying to make is this. You just need to focus on you. Develop yourself as a thoroughbred alpha male, right? Be on your personalized mission on earth, yeah? AKA your purpose or your passions, whatever. When you do that, what's going to happen is naturally you're going to attract women that are in alignment with your personalized mission on earth or whatever the case may be, because that's the truth. Look at the majority of relationships. I'm not saying you want to be in the relationship, but I'm just saying look at the majority of relationships. Where did they start off? Where did they meet? Yeah? So let's say, for example, look at Snoop Dogg and his wife. I don't know what the situation is now, but like they met in high school. What about I think Elisa Dixon, if you're in the UK, you know, and her husband. I believe they met when they were doing Strictly Come Dancing or something like that. Yeah. Look at Maya Jama and, well, they're no longer together now, but the point I want to make with that is Maya Jama and Stormzy, well, they're in the entertainment industry. Beyonce and Jay-Z, you know about Beyonce and Jay-Z now, don't you? They're in the entertainment industry. When another one, Will Smith and Jada Pinkett Smith, they're in the entertainment industry. The point I'm trying to fucking make is they met in situations that made sense to them while they were on their purpose, on their grind, doing their thing. Even Lil Wayne even mentioned how he met Nivea. Do you see what I mean? Like, he tried to do a studio thing with her, but that's not what he really wanted anyway. He wanted her. Do you see what I'm saying? But the point I'm trying to make is you need to be on your personal mission on earth. You need to be on your grind, be on your purpose, and you will naturally attract these type of women for you. Yeah, so if you click the link in the description box below, where it says become a member of the Thealkebulantrust, you will get access to online courses such as roles and relationships, and you'll learn how to develop yourself as a thoroughbred alpha male. Plus, you learn exactly how dating and relationship actually work in general, and another course to do with career and business. That's where you're going to learn exactly what your personal mission on earth is, aka your purpose, so you can be on that mission, be on that grind, so you can attract the type of women that will naturally feel like they're chasing you. That's what it's going to feel like, yeah? But anyway, if you've got any questions, any topics you'd like for us to discuss in our videos, leave that in the comment section below. And remember, hit the subscribe button, hit the bell notification, because you never know the video you suggest might just be next. But also, I forgot to add that just because it may feel like they're chasing you, yeah, it don't mean to say that there's other guys not around that are chasing her, or she's actually chasing them as well. You're not the only guy on the planet.